from my guns, the tears from my eyes, and the song from my lungs. Ain't nothing that you left unbroken, save for these strings. I couldn't hold you, you wouldn't be still, when the cherry trees blossomed on top of the hill. You stole the kiss from my lips, and you left me with no voice to sing. How you left me for dead on the side of the road, as if you believe that you'll never grow old. I swallowed the poison, I thought I could spit out the pain. And you had your moment out there in the sun, and I got the highway and the life on the run. You ignored the clouds, but baby, here comes the rain. There isn't no rest in a world of fear. You watch your back for your own shadow round here, and even the devil won't walk alone when night falls. You held me for ransom behind the bars of your heart. You found the seam to my soul and you rent it apart. Now there's no way to breathe and not be in contempt of these laws. How you left me for dead on the side of the road. God knows you think you won't ever grow old. I drank down the poison, I just couldn't spit out the pain. And you had your moment out there in the sun, and I got the highway and the life on the run. You ignored the clouds, but baby, here comes the rain. I burned all my flags, I swore I'd be free. I thought I was a pirate out on the sea. Now I look out on the waves and I can't see land anymore. I'm weighing the anchor, I'm setting adrift, tied to the timbers, going down with the ship. And even the rats have jumped over and are swimming to shore. You left me for dead on the side of the road, as if you believe you won't ever grow old. I swallowed the poison, I thought I could spit out the pain. You had your moment out there in the sun, and I got the highway and the life on the run. You ignored the clouds, but baby, here comes the rain.